DTV. As you all know, we do hire the lightweight wheelchairs in any shape, size or form. We have quite a selection to go out from that now. You get a daily rate, a weekly rate, a monthly rate, and the longer the period we come to some term of agreement on that. But what we have started doing for 2021 is we are going to do some very specialist chairs. So if you have somebody who has a real comfort need, and because these are so expensive, if you want to hire one, rent one, call it whatever you want, just to try it out, you know, that's a cracking idea, because you can get it absolutely perfect then. You can say, that's great, but we want ours to have this or ours to have that. So that's one way around it. But we actually do have a couple of chairs. This one happens to be the Sunrise Breezy Ibis with the Cedo seating on. We also, imagine a situation, 25-year-old, 30-year-old, playing football, you bust your foot, you're at home, trying to get around on crutches, or a stick at best, it's just hard work. What we have started to actually take on board is this little fella here, and it's dead simple. You've got a brake so you can stop it. That's obviously your pulley leg, and off you go. So it doesn't matter whether it's your left leg or your right leg, but if you've actually got a lower leg problem and you can't get around the house, you can hire one of these from us. So what you'll find that this year is that we will be looking at hiring all sorts of equipment, but this is just a little snapshot of one or two things that have already come into stock for you to come and hire if you want to. Thank you very much, and we'll see you again.